guys, let's get into these products that I received from IL Makiage, okay? So this is the box that everything came in. They sent me a little instruction guide on how to test their foundation, you know, kind of like what you're supposed to do and all that fun stuff. They sent me a complimentary foundation brush, and also they sent me concealer, and they sent me primer. So that's the primer there, and that's the concealer there that I'm showing you. So I'll leave like all the details of all the products that I got from them to test. I'll leave it in the description bar below so you guys can have an idea of the exact color that they sent me, okay? And that's the foundation that they sent me as well. So I will be testing out their foundation today, you guys, and all the other stuff that they sent. The foundation, it has like a pump at the top there. I don't mind the pump. I know MAC, they have the ones with the pump and without the pump. So now I'm just testing the foundation. So on the instruction guide, they said that I'm supposed to apply 2 pumps to my entire face, jaw, and neckline, and I think that's what I did. Then I'm gonna blend it out with my brush, and according to their instructions, they suggest that I wait 5 minutes for the foundation to set before actually checking the shade. So I'm like, because at first I'm like, wait, when I started applying the foundation, I'm like, this thing looks orange. I don't think this is the right color for my skin. But after seeing that on their instruction thingy that they sent me, it said to wait 5 minutes for it to set to see the real shade of the foundation. I'm like, okay, well, that makes sense. We're going to trust the process here. You know, we're going to trust the process. So how I heard of IL Makiage, I saw their ad on Instagram, and how it works is that you have to complete a questionnaire on their website. Like, they ask a bunch of questions about my skin type, the look that I'm going for, my undertone for my skin, if I have oily skin, dry skin, all that stuff, everything about your skin they'll ask. It's very, very, very detailed, and the reason they do this is because they want to get the best match for your skin in regards to your foundation. So I did that, and based on my answers, they sent the foundation and a concealer for me that will best match my skin. And I don't know, I think they did a pretty good job, because I think the foundation matches my skin very well, because I have I have a few spots on my skin. Like, I have hyperpigmentation, and I feel as though the foundation that they sent me, like, it has full coverage, and I really, really like that. I find that with MAC, their foundation, like, I can wear it in the summertime because I have oily skin, and the MAC foundation, I find that it's really, really, really dry. It's very matte. So my MAC, I'll wear that in the summertime, and the IL Makiage, I'll wear that in the wintertime. I live in Canada, so I don't need to be wearing MAC in the wintertime because it's already dry, if you know what I mean. But I like it. I really do like it, you guys. What do you guys think? I think this will be my new foundation. I think I'm gonna retire from using MAC, because I'm actually really feeling this foundation. Like, what do you guys think? I like it. I like it. I feel like it matches my skin. And you know what I forgot to do, you guys? I forgot to add primer to my face before applying the foundation. So I'm just showing you guys what their primer looks like, okay? And so about their primer, I find that the primer, it's very heavy. And for me, I use Smashbox. That's the primer that I normally use, and I prefer Smashbox. I will be returning the primer that they sent me, because I find that it's very heavy, and I don't like to, like, I wear makeup, but I don't want to feel like I have all this heavy stuff on my face. I try to keep it as light as possible. So I will be returning their primer. So I'll stick to my Smashbox primer that I normally use. and that's the concealer they sent me. So what I'm doing right now, like I'm not doing a heavy beat, like beat for the gods. No, I'm not doing that. Slave for the gods, I should say. I'm just doing something very light, you know, like if you're going to the grocery store or whatever. It's just very, very, very light. Like I want to look as if I'm not really wearing makeup. So that's the look I'm kind of going for. Like no lashes, you know, not like I'm not doing all that extra stuff, you know, just basic as possible. So now I'm adding my my setting powder, and that's my LA Girl palette. I added my setting powder, and I'm just, you know, kind of like contouring my face with my LA Girl palette. Nothing heavy, just as I said before, just trying to kind of like keep it simple as possible. Because this video, you guys, what I really wanted to highlight was the foundation, you know, just in case you guys saw this ad and you were wondering if it actually works, if their foundation is good, or if you complete the form and if they'll send you the perfect match for your face. I'm here to let you guys know that I tried it out, and I actually do like their foundation, and I feel as if it matches my skin. I don't have an issue with it, and it's not dry. You know, with MAC, I find that, like for MAC, I feel like I have to wear that in the summertime. Like I live in Canada, I can't wear my MAC foundation in the wintertime because I find that my face has like a really, really dry look, you know. But for this one, it works. You know, it works in the wintertime. So I think I'll be keeping this foundation. So I'm just, you know, adding a little something to my eyes. Nothing fancy, you know. But guys, look at my forehead. Like, look at that. Like, come on. You can't even tell that I'm wearing foundation. Like, it blends in perfectly with my skin, and it's not heavy. You can't really tell that I'm wearing makeup. You know, sometimes you have those foundation, like as soon as someone looks at you, they know that, oh yeah, right away, she's wearing a lot of makeup. Like, it's very light. And I like that about their foundation. So if you guys are thinking to try it out, I honestly highly recommend it. I think their foundation, the price of it, it's $44. So I think it's almost the same price as my MAC foundation. And for my brows, you guys, it's microbladed. And if you want to see, I have a video on when I was getting my brows done, so feel free to check that out if you want to see the process of how the microblading process. So I'll link that in the description bar below. So I am just adding something on my nose, you know, just to contour my nose a little bit to get it to pop, you know what I mean? And I'm just working my way on my lips, just lining my lips. Nothing fancy, just trying to keep it as simple as possible. And you guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, feel free to subscribe. It is absolutely free, okay? And leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think of this video. Let me know if you will be trying out their foundation. Let me know if you have any of their products. Let me know if you have tried it out, how it worked for you. Were you able to get your ideal match for your skin? And also, you guys, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload any new content, okay? This is the finishing look, you guys. See, it's just simple. Look at my skin. It's like, come on, it's like flawless, okay? Absolutely flawless, like in terms of the foundation. Like, I know my face is not beat for the god, like it's very light makeup, but we're talking about the foundation here, okay? So let me know what you guys think of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay blessed, keep motivated. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.